Coming up in the final episode of this series where we help out our subscriber that was burnt out. We complete the task. Place is looking amazing. Sister D is excited. Looking awesome. Fun. Sister D, what are you doing now?
Door time. Yes, man. Get this door sand down and properly put up again.
Yeah, man. Oh, bro. She might soon get that something. Is this study? Alright. So heavy duty down, guys. Sun him down. So that's one third, 2/3. Yeah, guys, and please remember to like the video. Give a thumbs up. Thank you. Yeah, we're going on fine, guys. Going on well. We're gonna look to move to the cupboard shortly. Do some adjustment. No, them maybe 3 or so. Yeah, supposed to come back. And then if you don't have it, the lady will wait till you come back.
Alright.
Yeah.
So I get 10 of them.
10, yeah. Yeah. So we're doing Sister D, big up herself. Yeah, man, Sister D are working now. She there for a day, she feel it. She feel it today. You understand? Yeah, man, I river. But yeah, give thanks. Energy, strength, life. Sick or not, we're doing it, guys. So on these doors, you had mortise locks. These are these type of locks. From way back when. So we have to put it back. So I'm gonna put in new locks because the one previously got real old. So it look nice, you know. The original is still the best. So we're gonna drop it in. I'm gonna put it back. Both doors. With the locks back on the door. Mortise locks. All working well. You know. It's time we thought about getting them back on the inches, but Big Mama first. Sister, you ready? Sister, you ready? Alright, so we'll put this back up now. Come with Sister, the whole camera. So, challenging taking off the door. Back days, you know, flatted. So we went and we got, Philip said, so anybody doing anything to the door in the future will have a better chance and easier to take it off the door. So, yeah, challenge, man, fight. So, you win. Original French door, real cedar. In the comments, guys, let me know, is there anything else you think I should have done? Anything I should have done differently? Right? Let me know. Put in the comment section. Let the community know exactly what you feel. I need to line up. Did you enjoy the series? Did you enjoy the work? Yeah. Stay with me. In this one, watch the video to the end and see the end result. Once you catch one, you catch another. So we just drive in the big screw them now. And that will be it. We have the other two doors. I'm gonna put them in next. Alright then, moment of truth. Door was rubbing, Sister D. Open and close, safety rub. No rubbings. No rubbings. Open again. Come on, draw again. Oh, the bag. Okay, I wonder. Come again. Lock again. Open. Okay, my box drop. You got me there. Got me as if I'm playing that enough. Alright, so good there. So yeah, set Sister D. Going fine. So right here, I had to make some adjustments to the cupboard because the new construction that I did not require this length, so I had to take a piece of it to ensure that it fitted properly. Now guys, my first time doing this, but I was really excited. I was enjoying the experience, and right now I'm telling you, I'm master for the trade. We're now installing the face of the cupboard. Sister D can stand up and show how it look, the entire cupboard. But yeah, this is the cupboard that was inside. This is the cupboard that we took out, the old burnt up cupboard, refurbished. Yeah, we did that because it would cost so much money to do the entire thing, right? And see guys, less than a week, I'm gonna drop it back in, study a smile behind the camera, you know? But yeah, it's a good feeling. Sorting out the boards to set inside to put the jars to run on, the runners for the jar, so to speak. Never did anything yet, you know, people, I mean, I tell you, say, it's a learning process, right? So this broad piece, I decided I'm going to try and use this for both jars, so 2 jars can run on this. So go and see if the battery work out now. This is it. This is just a chip. This piece here is just a chip that I'm gonna rip off. Can't see. It's just something on the side. But yeah, this I'm gonna use in the middle. So one jar slide over this side and another jar slide over this side. Yeah, and we'll see where that goes. Yeah. So the whole board from the these are some of the boards that came off the previous counter. Didn't throw them away, so you're gonna use them back. So I really want to use the smoothest side, or the smoother side. There's only 2 sides, well, 4 sides, but for the broader side, the smoother side, right? So this little piece here, I'm gonna drop right in between these 2 lines that are marked here, because this is gonna be drilled on to the cupboard face, right? And down at the end, down here, is gonna be drilled on a board that I'm going to screw onto the wall to the back. So the jar is supposed to be One jaw supposed to be sliding on this side, and then another be sliding on this side. So when I sand this off, what I plan to do as well is to get some candle and rub the candle wax. Just rub the candle wax on each side so the jaw slides freely. That is the plan, and that is what I'm going to do, guys. So stay tuned. Yeah guys, so we're here working in tight spaces under the counter. Drawing a line where I'm gonna place this here board to drop the shelves on. So that's what I'll be doing. Full power hammer. Let's do this. Yeah guys, so we put in this piece as well as this piece on this side. We're gonna try it now. Right. Let me take the camera and make it get a better look. Sister, you go for the jaw in the meantime, please. Outside. Not sure if you guys can see, but just keep it basic. I'm no professional. Alright, Sister D, try push it in and see now. What? Yo! What? It lock close, Papa? It lock on the outside?
It push right in.
Alright, good.
Right in.
Alright, so good. You can take it back out. Yes, yes, yes! Sister D, we did it!
Yes.
Oh gosh, man. Let me tell you something, guys.
Hey.
Working underneath here, and not easy. But we soon finish. Now look at that, guys. Sister D shining down the cupboard, putting in her jar. This here, this is what we started out. How you feel, Sister D?
Oh, I like it. Wow, from excitement.
Where's it?
Yes, excitement, finally. Good, great job, great job.
Yeah,
Lovely
we did
work,
this.
lovely.
We did this.
Pretty, oh wow.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Give thanks every time.
Okay.
And see, even the top.
Yes.
And let's stay excited, man. Lively. Now, when we look back from where we're coming from, it's just amazing to see the work, how it's looking, the final finish, how beautiful it is. I am so proud of the work. I'm sealing so good, and Sister D is very, very happy. While I was there, looking at her when she was wiping down the cupboard, you could see the excitement. You could see the happiness, the joy that was in her face. Guys, remember to like this video, share this video, and remember to help each other. Love is the way to go. And I'm telling you, I was really, really tired afterwards. The food, we enjoy our meal and we enjoy what we do. So see you again, guys, in the next one. Everything work out well. God bless. Love and respect to all of you, always. Peace and love.